Now, before starting the welcome dance, we are going to felicitate our chief guests who are here. Shri B.N. Dave Sahib, I request you to please come on the stage. He is a Nayak Police Adhishak, Vapi Vibhag, and from 2001 he is into this thing, and since 1.5 years Vibhagi Police Adhikari of Vapi, and in various places he has stayed from 2002 till 2007 as a Kutch Jilla PSI, from 2007 to 2010 as Mehsana Jilla PSI, from 2010 till 2012 as a CID IB Gandhinagar PI, from 2012 till 2017 as a Gandhinagar Jilla PI, from 2017 till 2018 as a Surat City Crime Branch PI, and from 2018 to 2022 as a Surat City ASP Traffic DYSP. So please, all of you give a huge round of applause. We will be felicitating sir. Please come on the stage. We'll felicitate him with a shawl and bouquet. I request Radhesham Sharma ji, the chairman of Vidyadham International School, to please come on the stage to felicitate him with a shawl and bouquet. Please, all the parents and everybody present here, give a huge round of applause for him. Wonderful contribution to our country. He has received 400 awards till now. In Surat Crime Branch, in मां दीकरी हत्याना गुनाना आरोपियों ने फांसीनी सजा આપવા બદલ ભારત સરકાર દ્વારા બેસ્ટ ઇન્વેસ્ટિગેશન માટે યુનિયન હોમ મિનિસ્ટર મેડલ he has got for investigation in 2022. Also in Surat City, during the traffic faraj darmiyan Shresth Traffic Niyamam, he has received DGP Disc Award. Also, we are very happy that our other chief guest, Miss Rashmika Mehta, she is here. I will request her to please come on the dais. She is since last 25 years working as an advocate in Valsad district, first notary public in Valsad district. She is a panel advocate of 20 nationalized bank. In 2007, she was honored by Nari Shakti Award. She was working as a lecturer in Raffle Commerce College, Vapi. She is a proud trustee of Mahila Utkarsh Foundation. She has delivered more than 300 lectures on women rights in Valsad district. She has been engaged in Brahma Kumari Vishwa Vidyalaya since last 12 years. Please give a huge round of applause, and I request Manisha ma'am to please come on the stage and felicitate her with a shawl and bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. Also, I am very happy to felicitate Shri Shailesh Mehta ji. He is the ex-president of Vapi Bar Association. He is the vice president of Lions Club of Vapi Udyog Nagar. Since 30 years, he is having experience in the lawyer field. He is a legal advisor of multinational industries and bank. and also he is a notary public of Government of Gujarat. Such an honor, sir, you are here. Today he is not so well, but still he made a point to come and grace our occasion. So you give a huge round of applause for him. Thank you, sir. Also, I'll request now Parikshit Patel, sir. Please come on the stage. He is a councillor, Ward number 3, Vapi Nagar Palika, ex-town planning chairman of Vapi Nagar Palika. He is a managing trustee of Krishna Kanhaiya Foundation Trust, having a chemical industry. He is a managing director of Akrishi Private Limited. He is running EDYT brand construction chemicals. Thank you, sir, for coming here and gracing our occasion. Also, I request Mahesh Bhadji, please come on the stage. He is a social worker, along with that, convener of BJP. Thank you for coming and gracing our annual day today. Also, I request Mrs. Ila Desai to please come on the stage. She is the senior most pediatrician of Vapi. She is working since last 47 years and serving the people. I request Manisha ma'am to please felicitate her.